In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and enroll in courses on Udemy effectively, even if you only have a few minutes to spare. Whether you're looking to acquire a new skill, improve an existing one, or are simply curious about what Udemy has to offer, you've come to the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to dive headfirst into learning, all within the span of just 5 minutes. Let's start with the very first step after you arrive at Udemy's homepage. You'll want to log into your account to access courses and save your progress. Look for the login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to a vast library of courses on everything from baking to blockchain. Once you click on login, you'll be presented with several options for how to proceed. For a quick and seamless login experience, I recommend using the Google icon for authentication. It's a simple way to connect using your Google account, saving you the hassle of remembering yet another password. Simply click on the Google icon and you'll be one step closer to accessing Udemy's extensive course catalogue. Next, you'll need to choose the Google account you want to use for Udemy. If you're like many of us, juggling multiple Google accounts for work, personal, and perhaps even side projects, make sure to select the one that best suits your learning intentions. This might be your personal account for general learning or perhaps your professional account for career-related courses. Now, onto the fun part. Finding your course. Head over to the search bar, a powerful tool at your disposal to sift through Udemy's vast offerings. Whether you know exactly what you're looking for or just have a vague idea, typing in relevant keywords will bring you a step closer to your learning goal. The search bar is intuitive and will even offer suggestions as you type. Once you've entered your terms, it's time to click on your desired course from the search results. This is where the vastness of Udemy truly shines. You're likely to find multiple courses on the same topic, each offering unique perspectives and insights. Take a moment to review the courses, paying close attention to the course content, instructor background, and reviews from past students. This information is invaluable in helping you decide which course is the right fit for you. After selecting a course, the next and final step is to enroll and start learning. You'll see a button labelled Go to Course. Clicking this will take you directly to the course content, where you can begin your learning journey in earnest. This button is your gateway to new skills, insights, and opportunities. It's worth noting that Udemy often offers previews and introductions for courses, allowing you to get a feel for the course structure and content before diving in fully. And there you have it, a simple, quick guide to getting started with Udemy. Remember, the world of online learning is vast, and while it can seem daunting at first, tools like Udemy make it accessible and manageable. Start with a course that truly interests you, or one that offers a skill you've been meaning to learn. The key is to begin, and from there, the learning journey is yours to shape. Before we wrap up, a few additional tips to enhance your Udemy experience. Make use of the platform's features such as bookmarks, notes, and Quanda sections. These tools can significantly enrich your learning, allowing you to personalize your experience and engage more deeply with the content. Also, don't hesitate to reach out to instructors with questions or for clarification. This interaction can greatly enhance your understanding and retention of the material. That's all for now. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of finding and enrolling in Udemy courses. Remember, learning is a journey, and platforms like Udemy are here to support you every step of the way. So go ahead, choose a course, and embark on your next learning adventure. Happy learning!